Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. What I'm supposed to do. If you're new,
go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember the part.
Subscribe button, smash a like and leave a comment. All returning subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for coming back to another video, guys. Yeah, we are on the road. We are at a thrift store, taking you guys with us because many persons are always asking us to do a thrift store haul kind of thing. So we're actually at Value Village at the moment. We're gonna go into Value Village. We're gonna take the camera with us. We're gonna show you guys like some of the stuff that you can get in Value Village, and also the cost for some of the stuff, right? Many persons are always concerned that going to a thrift store, things are gonna be like riff-raff or not up to standard. You know, just the general fears that when you get stuff that are not really brand new. So in this video, we're just gonna show you guys like some of the stuff that you can get from a thrift store, and also the costs, and then you can decide whether or not it is beneficial to you and your family, if it's worth it, or you know, general, if you want to do it. I just want to say that this video of course is not geared towards steering anybody towards shopping in a thrift store. If you want to shop in a thrift store, it's totally up to you. If you don't want to shop in a thrift store, it's equally up to you. But of course, our suggestion is it depends on the position you're in. If you're a new immigrant and you have no money, a thrift store is a great way to start to get some items that you need and just get a foot through the door. Alright guys, so this is where you go and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, smash that like button, give me a big thumbs up and drop a comment. Alright guys, big up on yourself. See you guys inside the store. Getting strapped in? Okay. Oh, this one, please. Sorry. What song is that? Oh, yeah, that's that. Where are we gonna start? Let's start down at the men's section. Yeah, it's reggae music. So it's not an original reggae song?
No.
It's not?
I think so.
I don't even know. That's kids? But it marks kids, but it's not kids. These jackets don't look too bad.
Like fall jackets. Fall jackets.
Fall jackets? What's the cost?
This is like $19.
What's the condition?
But sometimes, you know, sometimes when you compare the prices in a thrift store and you buy the brand new, sometimes
It's almost the same.
Sometimes better you buy brand new.
Yeah. So these jackets, guys, if you know, coming to a cold country, you're gonna need a lot of jackets. It can be expensive to get it brand new sometimes. So you probably get more for your money in a thrift store sometimes. Yeah, these are just some pants. $11.99, $14.99. Oh, them have jackets too. Not bad. What price for the jacket? 16? $18. It's not bad, babes. This no jacket there can fit me. Did I buy a jacket? I have two already, but I'll take another jacket. Not my style. Hi, Malia.
Oh, these are extra large. I'm looking at the wrong one. But this is an extra large. Oh,
That's not bad, though.
it's not extra large.
Just
No.
Nah. This is like something that my grandfather would wear. That's not bad.
Yeah.
That one's not bad. What do you guys think? Hold on, let me try it on. So I'll go on. Not bad.
Not bad.
Feel like a tight on the sleeve. No, tight on the sleeve. See?
Right? Yeah.
See, that's it.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Like
Yeah.
I can't go inside. Too tight. Nice jacket, but it's tight on the sleeve right here. Not bad. Let's see. Let's see if this one will try. This one feels a little bit better. Yeah. This one feels a lot better. What do you think about this?
Go down. Go.
Go
To a
down.
distance.
Why?
A distance.
Why?
Go down. Turn around. Okay. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
I like it.
Okay.
What do you think? Should I take it?
Oh,
What does the comment section say? What do you guys think about this jacket?
take it, take it.
Take it, take it, take it.
Oh no, don't put it in the mouth.
Yeah. I like this one.
Okay.
I like this.
Oh, I get it then.
So I end up taking the jacket, you know, because I like it. And plus the comment section said I should take it.
Yeah.
So the next thing that you can get in Value Village is household stuff. So you can get stuff like pots, plates, utensils and stuff like that. But it's totally up to if you want to buy this thing used, right? So like this is just for $3, for example. That slow cooker down here is for $12. So it depends, right, guys? You can get knives and knife set. Babes, you want some knife, you know? That knife here don't look bad. Well, I have knife at home? Babes, I always need knife. And stuff. What is Malika doing? Yeah. Oh, more pants. Oh, I see. Okay. Huh? Oh, yeah. This is what the kids section. What do you guys think about the quality of the clothes so far? Like, I'm gonna be very honest. Some stuff are newer than some. Some stuff is next to new, and some stuff you'll never buy. It's just how it is, right?
Remember we're going on vacation.
Okay. So just like anywhere else, you just have to just walk and look. Female section. Spoiler alert, I've never been able to get shoes in Value Village. Personally, me, I've never been able to. So I'm not sure if like men's shoes are scarce in thrift stores. Don't quote me. That just might be my experience. Probably the time when I come or whatever. But not as. Have you ever gotten shoes in here before?
When I just came, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice shoes.
Was it durable?
Yeah, I had it for almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
Yeah, so it was good.
Okay, let's check out what kind of shoes are in there. Oh, I see. Yeah. I don't know. I prefer buy shoes new. I prefer to buy shoes new, but I'm just showing you guys like in case, right? You do have options. Wanna what? In summer.
Yeah.
$15? That's not bad. Even I like the brown one beside it. Or that one. Yeah. No?
No, it reminds me of one of my bad.
Oh, I see.
It's cute.
They have their eye tops down bottom. If you like them kind of shoes there. Somebody just catch that jacket right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I'm being honest, you have a lot of nice female shoes. As you can see down the line, a whole lot of nice female shoes, but I've never been able to find a nice male shoes in here before. Sometimes when I come in, you see something that you have to take because it's like it's such a good deal. Oh, by the way, the socks are new, in case you guys are wondering. You know why? Probably it's the same thing that we were talking about the other day, no, babes. You know why? Probably it's difficult to find male shoes in like a thrift store. Probably because men wear things till it's done. Probably because men wear things till it's done. I know we're not left in it, so by the time you trade it in, but it's not look too bad though. It's not that bad.
Desk lamp. The clicking desk lamp gives out light. Desk lamp.
It's not that bad.
Desk lamp gives out light. Desk lamp.
But it's a size 9.
Lamp gives out light.
Yeah.
Fan.
Yeah, when
Buzzing fan keeps
a foot bigger than size 9, this not bad though. It's not bad either.
buzzing fan keeps
You don't like this? It's not bad to me. No man, it's not bad, babes.
the square television plays cartoons. Television. The square television plays cartoons.
This is the first time I ever see 2 alright-ish male shoes. Yeah, we're looking around, guys. There's not anything much in store today. Oh, that nice, babes.
Surprised.
That's like new.
Like one wheel.
Mm-hmm.
$9.
$9? That's not bad. Okay, let's go to the cashier and pay for this. Nothing much is going on in Valley Village today, guys, so we're just gonna head to the cashier. By the way, if you guys like these kind of videos, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Let us know that you want to see more of these videos. I will be happy to do it for you guys, right, babes?
Yeah, we're happy to do it.
Definitely. Alright. So I'm going to the cashier to pay for this jacket and 2 pants. That's all. That's never say nothing.
I always see things that woman name. I always see things that we want.
Anyways, this is all we're taking today. There's nothing much going on in the store today. So yeah, as I was saying, if you guys Malia, if you guys like this kind of content, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Let me know that you want to see more of this kind of videos, and we'll be happy to, go out and about, take you guys with us, show you guys around different stores and different places. Alright, before we head on out, guys, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and run into the comment section. See you guys in the next video.